with a successful conclusion of the 9th All-in Print China. Thank you all for visiting our booth and exploring the future of the printing industry with us. At this exhibition, Oyang presented the latest printing technology and innovations. Countless users stopped by Oyang machine. Here, Oyang presents high performance and efficient equipment to the world. At the same time, Oyang has also won unanimous praise from customers inside and outside the industry by the vast number of customers from all over the world love and attention. Our staff enthusiastically and patiently answered customers' questions and provided professional consulting services. Not only do we demonstrate superior print quality, it also demonstrates our commitment to environmental protection and sustainability.